Hi guys, I'm Holly and I'm living here at Academy Apartments. Come in and take a look at my room. So first of all, as you walk in, we've got this beautiful double bed, but thankfully my mum kindly came up and brought my new fleece duvet ready for winter because it can get quite cold in here. We've got the wardrobe on the left as we're walking in. It's a perfect double wardrobe for all of my clothes I've got. And then if we just move over here, I've got like a compact studio apartment, which is useful enough for my needs. It's one of the smallest rooms here at the apartments. And then over on this side, we've got the kitchen area. We've got a fridge there, more room there, 2 cupboards with shelves in 2. We've got the hob and then the oven here, which is also a microwave. And then moving over this way, the mirror that was already in the room when I moved in, same as the table and the 2 chairs. One of my friends has got the chairs, Leona, I would like that back. We've also got loads of storage under the bed. That one does also lift up as well. But I've got my case for when I go home, lots of my Halloween outfits, just in case I ever decide to be Belle again, be a princess. And then I also love about this studio apartment is that I'm so close to everything. So the uni you can see as you just look out there, the cricket ground is right there, and Old Trafford obviously, the main one, is over there. And there's a tram stop literally just past the unis. It takes about 2 minutes, not even that, to walk past the uni down there. And there's a cafe Nero on the way, which I've spent most of my money in there. And then if we just go and take a look at the bathroom, thankfully there's not makeup everywhere. So I've got this little organiser here. There's loads of storage under there as well. The shower, open and closing door, saves so much room. And yeah, I love my little space. So that was a tour of my compact studio apartment. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching and hopefully see you next year at UA92.